Ever thought about turning a corner of your home, garage, or workshop into a mini money-making factory? Today, we're exploring 30 powerful small business machines you can order right off Amazon, each designed to help you start earning without needing a giant factory or huge budget. From automated food makers to high-tech fabricators, these compact machines can open the door to real profits. Let's dive in. Bebox Urban Hive. Beekeeping might sound like a niche hobby, but with rising interest in organic honey and pollination services, it's becoming a surprisingly profitable small business. The Bebox Urban Hive is a compact, smart beehive system designed for backyards and rooftops, even in cities. Unlike traditional hives, it comes with automated monitoring and easy honey harvesting features, making beekeeping accessible for beginners. You're not just producing jars of golden honey, you're also selling beeswax, candles, and even offering pollination services for local gardeners and farmers. It's eco-friendly, sustainable, and profitable all at once. Bamboo Lab H2D 3D printing isn't just for hobbyists anymore. It's a business waiting to happen. The Bamboo Lab H2D is a high-speed, precision 3D printer that makes prototyping and small batch production more accessible than ever. From custom phone cases to replacement parts and even decorative home products, this machine can turn digital designs into real-world items in hours. With platforms like Etsy and Amazon Handmade thriving, you can sell unique designs online or even offer local printing services for engineers, students, and creators who need rapid prototyping. The H2D's reliability and ease of use make it perfect for turning a spare room into a miniature production studio. Xtool. Laser engraver personalization cells, and that's exactly where the Xtool laser engraver shines. This compact yet powerful machine can etch detailed designs into wood, metal, leather, or acrylic, letting you create everything from custom phone cases and jewelry to signage and promotional items. Imagine running an online shop offering engraved cutting boards for weddings or branded gifts for small businesses. The margins are excellent because people pay a premium for one-of-a-kind items. Plus, laser engraving is a business that scales. Start with small projects at home, then expand into bulk orders for events and corporate clients. It's a machine that opens doors to countless creative revenue streams. Balloon stuffing machine. Now here's a machine that's both fun and surprisingly profitable. The balloon stuffing machine lets you create eye-catching balloon gifts, where stuffed animals, flowers, or small presents are sealed inside giant decorative balloons. These make for unforgettable birthday, wedding, or baby shower gifts, and event planners love them. The best part? The machine itself is affordable, and each project can be sold at a big markup because of the wow factor. Pair it with an online store or a local delivery service, and you've got yourself a niche business built on creativity and celebration. Want Join Boba Maker Machine. Bubble tea isn't just a drink, it's a global craze. With the Want Join Boba Maker Machine, you can ride that wave by producing fresh, chewy tapioca pearls in bulk. Instead of relying on pre-packaged pearls, you can make your own batches for maximum freshness and customization. Cafes, food trucks, and even at-home vendors can benefit because customers love experimenting with new flavors and textures. Add a simple bubble tea menu to your business, and you're tapping into a market that's growing fast, especially among younger audiences. With low ingredient costs and high markup, this machine can pay for itself in no time. Want Join Cup Sealing Machine. Anyone who's had bubble tea or iced coffee knows that satisfying peel-back lid, and that's thanks to a cup sealing machine. The Want Join Cup Sealer heat seals drinks with a tight plastic film, giving beverages a clean, professional look that customers trust. It prevents spills, keeps drinks fresh longer, and adds that store-bought appeal even if you're serving from a small stand or kitchen. For entrepreneurs, this means higher perceived value and a stronger brand image. Pairing this with the Boba Maker is a no-brainer. you've suddenly got a mini bubble tea business with very little overhead. Cricut Mug Press. Custom mugs never go out of demand, whether it's a birthday gift, a corporate giveaway, or a viral Etsy shop item. The Cricut Mug Press makes the process simple. Just place a sublimation printed design onto a blank mug, insert it into the machine, and within minutes you've got a vibrant, dishwasher-safe design permanently baked into the surface. Unlike vinyl stickers, these designs don't peel or fade, which means customers pay more for them. Run it as a standalone business or bundle mugs with custom t-shirts, tote bags, and other sublimated products. It's a creative machine with endless profit potential. Nylairo Propane Melting Furnace Kit. For anyone interested in metalworking or jewelry, the Nylairo Propane Melting Furnace Kit is a small but mighty machine that unlocks big opportunities. This furnace can melt metals like aluminum, copper, silver, and gold, letting you recycle scrap or create custom castings. Imagine producing handmade jewelry, coins, or even small tools, all from a compact furnace that runs on propane. It's a gateway into the booming DIY metals market, where people love buying custom, one-of-a-kind pieces. The startup costs are low compared to larger foundry equipment, yet the potential profits from selling unique metal products are significant. Cricut Easy Press 3. Heat transfer printing doesn't have to be intimidating. The Cricut Easy Press 3 bridges the gap between a household iron and a full industrial heat press, making it perfect for small business owners who want to customize t-shirts, tote bags, or pillowcases. It combines even heat distribution with smart temperature controls, so your designs bond smoothly and last wash after wash. Whether you're running a side hustle making custom apparel or adding branded merch for a local business, the Easy Press 3 gives you professional level results without the bulky setup. It's a favorite among crafters who want to turn their creativity into steady sales. Magic Mill Pro Dehydrator. Healthy snacks are trending, and the Magic Mill Pro Dehydrator puts you right in the middle of that market. This machine dries fruits, vegetables, herbs, and even jerky with precision temperature control, locking in flavor while extending shelf life. With it, you could start a small snack brand selling dried fruit packs, herbal teas, or gourmet beef jerky. Farmers markets, gyms, and health-conscious customers are always looking for nutritious, preservative-free snacks. The overhead is low and the margins are excellent, especially if you source produce locally or grow your own. It's a practical machine that turns everyday foods into profitable products. Soap making. Kit handmade soaps have exploded in popularity thanks to their natural ingredients, unique designs, and gift appeal. A soap making kit gives you everything you need to start crafting custom bars right from home. With molds, fragrances, and colorants, you can create anything from luxury lavender bars to exfoliating coffee scrubs. Small batch soaps sell well on Etsy, at craft fairs, or even to local boutiques. Since customers are willing to pay a premium for handmade and organic products, your profit margins can be impressive. It's also a highly creative business. Once people discover your scents and designs, repeat buyers are almost guaranteed. Dry ice making machine. Dry ice isn't just for special effects, it's in demand for shipping frozen goods, preserving food, and even medical use. A dry ice making machine connects to a CO2 tank and compresses the gas into solid blocks or pellets with the push of a button. It's surprisingly easy to operate and requires minimal training. Restaurants, caterers, event planners, and labs are all potential customers who need a steady supply. With a modest investment, you could turn a machine like this into a consistent revenue stream, supplying a niche product that businesses already rely on. Commercial donut machine. Few things draw a crowd faster than the smell of fresh donuts, and a commercial donut machine automates the process so you can serve them hot and golden in minutes. The machine drops, fries, and flips donuts with little effort, giving you consistent batches every time. Sell them at farmers markets, carnivals, or set up a weekend food stall, and you'll see how quickly people line up. Since ingredients are cheap but donuts sell at a good markup, the profit margins are sweet. Plus, the spectacle of seeing donuts made fresh right in front of customers is part of the selling point. Bubble machine for events. Nothing creates instant fun at parties, weddings, and festivals like a bubble machine. These compact devices churn out thousands of bubbles per minute, transforming any event into a lively spectacle. Event planners, DJs, and kids party organizers are always looking for ways to wow their guests, and this machine does exactly that with very little setup. Since it's portable and easy to maintain, you can rent it out for birthdays or sell it as part of an event service package. The best part is one of those machines that pays for itself quickly because people love the magical atmosphere it creates. Laser engraving inside glass. This futuristic machine uses precision lasers to etch stunning 3D designs inside glass blocks without scratching the surface. The result looks like a floating hologram trapped inside crystal. Businesses use it for awards, souvenirs, and personalized gifts. Since the process is automated and highly customizable, you can create one-of-a-kind products that command premium prices. Perfect for gift shops, trophy makers, or even an online personalization business. Jewelry drum polishing machine. Shiny jewelry sells better, and this machine makes polishing effortless. A jewelry drum polishing machine uses rotating barrels filled with polishing media to smooth out rough edges and give metals a bright finish. It's ideal for small jewelers, hobbyists, and workshops producing gold, silver, or brass pieces. Since polished jewelry has much higher perceived value, this machine adds serious profit potential without requiring expert skill. Roofing machine strong. Durable roofing sheets are always in demand for houses, warehouses, and commercial projects. A roofing machine takes flat metal sheets and presses them into corrugated or ribbed patterns, making them weather-resistant and ready for construction. Since construction is a booming industry worldwide, this machine has constant demand. Small manufacturers can sell directly to builders or hardware stores, earning steady profits from a product that's essential for nearly every building project. Cement block machine blocks are the backbone of construction, and a cement block machine lets you produce them on-site or in a small workshop. The machine mixes cement, sand, and gravel, then compresses them into solid, uniform blocks. These can be sold to contractors, real estate developers, or even individual homeowners. Because the raw materials are inexpensive, but the finished product is always in demand, this machine pays itself off quickly and provides a reliable business opportunity. Tufting gun for custom rugs. Custom rugs are trending big time on social media, and the tufting gun is the secret behind them. This handheld machine shoots yarn into fabric, letting you create detailed, colorful designs much faster than by hand. Artists, DIY creators, and small businesses use it to make one-of-a-kind rugs, wall art, or carpets that can be sold online for high prices. Since each piece is unique, it's a perfect mix of creativity and profitability. Plus, customers love buying personalized home decor. Plastic shredder. With plastic waste becoming a huge global problem, recycling has turned into a profitable business. A plastic shredder breaks down bottles, containers, and packaging into small flakes that can be reused to make new products. Entrepreneurs use these machines to supply raw shredded plastic to recycling plants, or even create their own line of recycled goods. Since demand for sustainable materials is growing, this machine isn't just profitable, it's also eco-friendly and future-proof. Commercial slushie machine. Few drinks are as refreshing as an ice-cold slushie on a hot day. A commercial slushie machine lets you serve colorful, frozen drinks at events, cafes, or small shops. These machines mix, chill, and continuously stir flavored beverages to create that perfect icy texture customers love. With very low ingredient costs, just syrup and water, you can make a high-margin product that sells fast, especially in summer. It's also eye-catching, making it a great way to attract foot traffic. Laser Sandblaster. For businesses that thrive on personalization, a laser sandblaster is a game changer. This machine uses fine abrasives and lasers to etch detailed designs onto glass, stone, or metal surfaces. It's ideal for making trophies, engraved glassware, or custom signage. Since it creates permanent, high-quality finishes, customers are willing to pay top dollar for these personalized products. Whether you cater to corporate clients or individual gift buyers, this machine opens up a high-value niche. Tabletop screw press, oil extraction. Healthy oils like cold-pressed sunflower, sesame, or flaxseed oil are in high demand, and a tabletop screw press makes them easy to produce. This compact machine squeezes oil directly from seeds and nuts without chemicals, preserving the natural nutrients. Small businesses sell these oils at premium prices because they're considered healthier and fresher than factory-made versions. Since the machine is simple to operate and requires little space, it's perfect for anyone looking to enter the organic food market. Heat press sublimation printing. Unlike standard heat presses, sublimation printing allows for full-color, photo-quality transfers on mugs, shirts, phone cases, and more. A sublimation. Heat press embeds the ink directly into the surface, making designs long-lasting and vibrant. This is one of the most profitable machines for personalization businesses because custom products are always trending. Think photo mugs, sports jerseys, and branded merchandise. It's affordable, compact, and highly versatile, making it an ideal machine for small-scale entrepreneurs. Vacuum mold maker, vacuum former. A vacuum mold maker uses heat and suction to shape plastic sheets into custom molds. It's widely used for packaging, product casings, and even creative projects like cosplay props or custom trays. Since packaging is a multi-billion-dollar industry, small manufacturers can tap into this demand by offering custom designs for local businesses. It's compact, easy to run, and allows you to produce professional-grade packaging without the cost of outsourcing. Soap making machine. Unlike small DIY soap kits, a soap making machine is designed for larger scale production. It mixes, molds, and cuts soap bars automatically, allowing you to produce hundreds of bars per day. With growing demand for organic and handmade soaps, this machine makes it possible to launch a serious soap brand. Whether you focus on luxury scents, herbal soaps, or budget-friendly household bars, the profit margins are excellent because raw ingredients are inexpensive while the final product sells at a premium. 3D printing pen, bonus machine. Creativity sells and the 3D printing pen proves it. This handheld device melts plastic filament and lets you literally draw objects in midair. It's perfect for making mini prototypes, artistic models, and custom crafts. Hobbyists, designers, and kids love it, and people pay for personalized creations. With low startup cost and high novelty value, this pen is not just a gadget, it's a mini moneymaker. Portable espresso maker, bonus machine. Coffee is big business, and a portable espresso maker lets you cash in. Whether it's a road trip, campsite, or office desk, people crave premium coffee anywhere. Compact machines that brew rich espresso shots are in demand with coffee lovers. As a small business idea, you can sell portable coffee services at events, markets, or even bundle these devices with gourmet coffee subscriptions. Few products combine daily demand with luxury appeal as perfectly as coffee. And there you have it. 30 compact business machines you can start using today to build a profitable venture. From crafting jewelry to shaping slippers, from custom packaging to portable coffee. Each one of these tools opens a door to a new stream of income. Success doesn't always require a giant factory or millions in investment. Sometimes all it takes is one smart machine in the right hands, If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who's looking for business ideas. And tell us in the comments, which machine would you start with?